Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly, you'll have to open your phone application, tap here, go to settings, and then go to the block list. Then tap here, and then you can manually add number which you want to block. Just enter number and then tap OK, and this number will be blocked. You can select number from your contacts list, from your call log, or even from your messages, and block it like this, for example. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.